Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make apps reopen previous windows after relaunching on Mac. So Windows Restoration allows a supported app to remember which windows or document were open when you quit it. When you launch the app again, those windows can return automatically so that you can continue your work without reopening each tabs or windows again. So if your app always open with a blank or clean window, the close windows when quitting an application settings may be enabled. Turning this setting off allows macOS and supported app to restore the previous sessions. This is especially useful when you are regularly working on a same document or keep several windows open inside an app. So if you want your previous windows to reopen after relaunching an app, follow these steps. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here in the right side pane, scroll until you find Windows section. And here make sure to disable the toggle right to close windows when quitting an application. And that's it. From now on, supported apps can restore their previous windows when reopened. The exact restoration behavior may still depend on the app you're using. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.